In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a DNS record in your GoDaddy domain portfolio. If you need to connect a subdomain to a website, server, or third-party service, this is a simple process once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to log into your GoDaddy account, open the DNS settings for your domain, add a new record, and save it correctly so your changes can take effect. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy domain portfolio. Once you're logged in, locate the domain you want to update. Next to that domain, click DNS. This will open the DNS management area, which is where you control how your domain and subdomains point to different destinations online. Inside the DNS settings page, look for the option that says Add New Record and click it. This is where you'll create the new DNS entry. GoDaddy will then give you a form with several fields to complete. For the record type, choose either A or CNAME, depending on what you need. An A record is typically used when you want your subdomain to point directly to an IP address. A CNAME record is usually used when you want the subdomain to point to another hostname instead. Choosing the correct type is important, so make sure it matches the instructions provided by the platform or service you're connecting to. In the name field, enter the subdomain you want to use, such as blog. You only need to enter the subdomain portion here, not the full domain name. In the value field, enter the destination provided for your setup. This will either be the target IP address if you selected an A record, or the host address if you selected a CNAME record. Be careful when typing this information because even a small typo can prevent the record from working properly. Once everything is filled in, click Save. That's all you need to do to create the DNS record. After saving, keep in mind that DNS updates are not always instant. In some cases, changes can begin working quickly, but full propagation may take some time, depending on the record and network conditions. If the subdomain doesn't work right away, give it a little time and then test again. And that's how to add a DNS record in GoDaddy domain portfolio. If you follow these steps carefully and enter the correct record type, name, and value, your subdomain should